Hello everybody, this is Dwayne from Roscoe Hills Farm. It's only August, but our popcorn is already dried on the stalk, and I harvested it a couple of days ago. I just thought I'd let some of you see some of the popcorn we've been getting. Beautiful. We'll certainly enjoy that later on. We don't plant much popcorn, but we do plant a little bit for personal use. We don't sell any of it or market it in any way or even harvest the seeds. But we do enjoy popcorn in the winter time, and it won't be long, it'll start getting colder. Labor Day is just around the corner, and then we're on into Halloween season when everything else needs to be harvested, such as our sorghum. But anyway, there's our popcorn. This is Dwayne, Roscoe Hills Farm.